How to replace ear pads on Bose QC35 headphones. As you can see, we have a pair of Bose QC35s here. Ear pads are pretty worn out. The first step would be to firmly grasp the ear cup, pinch the ear pad, and pull away. Next, pinch the ear mat and gently pull up slowly. We sell these replacement ear pads at centralsound.co. Enter promo code BEATS10 at checkout for a special discount. You gently want to peel away the adhesive backing. Be careful not to pull the glue off of the ear mat. It can be a little tricky, so please be patient. Next, you align it properly. You want to make sure the ear mat is aligned underneath the small clips that hold the ear pad in place. It may take a few times to adjust it. Push down gently on the areas where there's the adhesive. Next, you align your replacement ear pad. Once aligned properly, you apply pressure and push on the rim and make sure it's firmly in place underneath the small little plastic clips. As you can see, they're around the inner edge of the ear cup. I find it easier to just push down with my thumbnail until I feel it snap or click into place. And that's how they should look when they're finished. Thank you for watching. Buy your replacement ear pads at centralsound.co. Enter promo code BEATS10 at checkout for a discount.